So I'm going to reveal very quickly a new theory as to how craters on the moon were really formed. Scientists say that these craters were made by meteors that struck with such force they call it compression shock wave. The problem with that is that the craters are all round, doesn't explain that, and it also doesn't explain how all these craters are so close to one another that this shock wave didn't disperse a simple ring of sand that a 5-year-old could kick through. These craters were not made by meteors. These craters were made by miniature moons that were forming at the same time as ours. And when our moon reached a certain size, its gravity simply pulled them down. That's why they're all round. That's why they have no trajectory marks. They were very close. That's why the craters are all round, not just on our moon, but on Mercury and anywhere else that you look. Can you imagine if we had one of these miniature moons to examine what we could learn from it? Wait a second, we do. I bring your attention to Costa Rica, where scientists say we don't know how ancient civilizations could have made thousands of these smooth, round granite spheres. Well, guess what? They didn't know what they were either. And these are not miniature moons. These are miniature Earths. So now a new question arises. Why did some of these survive on Earth but not on the moon? Answer: I believe they did. See, the surface of the moon was soft, so they plunged into it. That's why the depth of a crater, 20, 50, 100 times its size, doesn't really penetrate much deeper into the ground like you would expect. They're all relatively, just concave to the size of the miniature moon that struck it. All these granite spheres are also the exact random sizes we would expect to see that produced all of these craters everywhere. The next time we go to the moon, what we need to do is dig inside one of these small craters. We will find the miniature moon that plunged into it. Be kind of cool to take one of those granite spheres and drop it and see what happens when it hits the moon's surface, right? Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and let me know your comments.